In this exercise, I'm going to show you how to do machine cable fly, which is going to target our chest muscles. Position. If you want to lunge in this exercise, you may align your body to 45-degree angle. And if you want to keep your feet together, then you may align just 75-degree. Movement is you pull the cable in front of your chest, squeeze your chest muscle, hold 1, 2, and then reverse back. Tempo. When you pull the cable, count 1, 2, hold 1, 2, and return 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, breath is very important. As you exhale to pull the cable, when you inhale, return to the starting position. Sets or varies, depend on what you do next. 2 to 3 or 4 to 5 with 8 to 12 reps. Once again, volume, you can always start with the low to gradually increase.